There's a stranger. Seen this guy in a while. But Gerard down there. My boy Joe Wren. Joe's on the phone. I'll take you around for a second. That guy. This is Donnie boy. Always Donnie. How the kids?
Kids are good.
There's Paul. Paul and Dave.
Big
Hey,
man.
Paul.
Kevin, can I ask you a favor?
Yes.
Towards the end of the show,
Yes.
you should get a couple pictures.
Oh yeah, I already.
Send them.
I took a couple, and I'll just get your email again. I'll send them all to you. You're welcome. Yep.
Nobody would go near. One time I didn't bring that.
You got Rick and the missus. A lot of cars. Rick got all Rick's cars.
Was that a radon detector? You're like going all over the place there.
Making sure we're safe. This is Bob Moulton. Got a lot of cars. Get down here. There's Joe Sacamano. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Big Mac.
Ernie. Big Ernie. And that's about it. We got Bob Barton. Barb, with more stuff. And then, of course, it's Pete's show. It's Pete over there. And we'll wrap it up with Tom. Come in and see Tom.
I had to charge them all night. It's dead now.
Did I get Bob beers?
No, the new packaging.
Bob's selling stuff.
He did that on